Good afternoon everyone, welcome to another update vlog here on the World of Coasters. Today we have a day off work and what is the date?
But it is 1 PM.
It's the 15th today, the 15th of June.
Yeah.
So let's see how fast I can edit and get this video out. But we're here to see construction updates of Shipwreck Cove, Shipwreck Coast, sorry, and the new Project Amazon being built for 2023. There's a lot going on in the park at the moment. I haven't done an update video here in quite a while. I think beginning of May was the last one I did. So yeah, let's get down to Shipwreck Coast first, as that will be the first area we're going to be crossing. Then we'll have a look at Project Amazon, see what we can see, and yeah, really excited to see what they've been doing over the past couple of months. Right, so we still have the Pirates Cove signage up here, haven't changed that yet, but Seastorm is now unveiled. It's not actually open. That's the original station, just painted. Got part of the Mardi Gras shows going on over there. But yeah, let's have a look at the new attractions for here. This is an existing attraction, Seastorm. It's seen a full renovation by Mack Rides, and yeah, you can see the boats just look a lot better for starters. The building's been painted up. I'm not overly keen on that, but you know, it's an old building, I guess. The centerpiece for this ride, which is the squid here, looks absolutely amazing. I really like what they've done with that. I imagine they're going to have the cover over the middle bit. The engineering coming through, don't want to be in their way. Before they had a cover that kind of went over here, like sea texture, didn't they? I hope that's coming back, because that kind of finished off the middle and hid all the gears and all that sort of thing. But yeah, it'd be pretty cool to get back on this. I actually think they might be about to test this one, so let's hang around and have a look. So yeah, here's the old entrance for Seastorm, which has just been gated off. Like, they haven't even closed it off massively. But yeah, it looks like it's going to have a long queue, and oh my god, they're actually testing it. So let's get some shots of the ride running now. So yeah, fully tested and operational. Can't wait to get back on this. It is a great classic ride. I don't think this one opened with the park. I'm not entirely sure. It could have done. Put it down in the comments if you know for sure. I think it probably did open with the park. But yeah, I'm loving the work they've done. They haven't gone too far away from the original design. But I love the centerpiece, it is amazing. Let's have a look at the rest of the attractions coming very soon. It was all originally meant for spring 2022, however, it's nearer summer now. The signs still say spring. Yeah, look, the queue line for Seastorm has actually been moved. So it used to be around to the left of the building just there. It's now going to be over here, so it's more in the area. Now, Trawler Trouble over here, which used to be the timber tugboat at Fort Park, that's looking amazing. I love the paint job they've done on that. Like, absolutely stunning paintwork on that. You know, they've really done their best on that. We've got some rock work down the side as a facade, instead of like some like ocean texture which you normally see on these sorts of rides. But that's looking amazing, just about done really. I think there are meant to be set end caps on it, but this one won't be tested today by the looks of it. Off in the background we have a new statue piece, a bit of theming. Looks like a mermaid from here. It's not really focusing on it very well. Yeah, it's a mermaid statue who seems to be pointing at something. So we'll have to have a look around the other side in a minute and see what it's actually pointing at. But yeah, very impressed with the new for 22 area. So all of this area through here used to be the queue line. I think they're still constructing it at the moment. A lot of it's still being built. So this is all brand new queue line. You used to enter around the other side around here, and it's all around this side. Here's the entrance portal here. You can't see a lot at the moment, there's no signage hanging up, but we have a lifeboat hanging down from the side, which looks really good. Like, I must admit, Merlin really do seem to be putting out the stops for their theming. That's for the new Bobbing Barrels ride, which is a bit of a super soaker, similar to the one found at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. It's the Zamperla Watermania. But yeah, I'm really loving the level of theming on this. Shame we can't get around any further. If I come a bit further around, you might be able to see a little bit more. Yeah, it's all hands on deck on site at the moment. We'll go around the back and have a look, see where we can have a look at the bobbing barrels a bit closer. So again, through the entrance of Seastorm, we can just about make out the centerpiece for the Zamperla Watermania. I love the theming element on the middle with the underwear hanging up. But the lighthouse is actually the operator's booth for this one. It looks like there's a new stall here. Wonder what they'll be selling, probably just a few little bits and pieces.
Maybe they'll do a little shop.
I don't know, but yeah, that's always had the walkway out there. But yeah, there's some more theming up the top here now. Very impressed with what they've done here. Yeah, nice overall area. Now we come round by the Elmer's Elephant Ride here, just to see whether we can actually have a look around the back of the site. Now, they have quite high walls up. If you go behind these lockers over here, there was a small gap in the fence, so we'll have a look over there and see if we can see the new Bobbing Barrels ride. So to the untrained eye, you come along here and you're like, oh no, I can't see anything. And then you come along here and they've got like a tiny slit where you actually get a brilliant overview of the whole attraction. So the ride system for Bobbing Barrels is now completely in, and wow, that looks absolutely incredible. It's just a Zamperla ride, a Watermania I believe the model's called. But yeah, the gondolas go round and you can get soaked on this. So you've got spray cannons here. I imagine around the edge they'll give the option to pay for the jet ones that you can spray riders with. But yeah, it looks absolutely incredible, this ride. Can't wait to get on it in the summer. Hopefully the weather stays like this for it, because I'd be on it today. So if what I've read on social media is correct, like I said earlier, this area is actually going to be renamed to Shipwreck Coast. And they're actually dropping the pirate theme and it's going nautical, or that's so what I've heard on social media. They do still have certain areas of pirate theming, and of course you still got Captain's Fish and Chips around here, so whether that will see a re-theme in the closed season later on, I don't know. Yeah, we got a lot more access now, so we can kind of come around the sides now. Still got part of their old signage up which actually says spring just behind those bins over there that when it was coming in. Let's see what we can see through here. So we've got some little fishing cages around there, the back of the operator's booth for Trawler Trouble. So this used to be a game store here, and the game store is actually now over the other side of the forecourt, so they're not getting rid of anything. But yeah, you can get around a lot easier. You used to be able to get around this way regardless. Yeah, we still got the old signage saying coming spring 2022. I don't know what's held them up. We're going to be able to see the new theming element much closer up, so let's have a pop over the fence. There we go, some amazing theming there. Be interested to know who actually made the theming for this, whether it was the company that actually did the original theming for Chessington World of Adventures. It's a very renowned company. I can't actually remember the name of it, but they've done a lot of work for Portland's Park over the years, and they did all the original sculpting for like the Dragon River ride and just all over the park in general. But yeah, loving what they've done here. Just looking towards the back of the site now and see the Bobbing Barrels off there. This whole area is going to have a new lease of life. The thing about the Pirates Cove area was a bit of a dead spot, wasn't it, before, Lou? It kind of had the Black Buccaneer, which is now the Blue Barnacle, and Sea Storm, and it was kind of and now, like yeah, I kind of feel that now they've put the two little rides in. I feel that it'll really expand the area. It's great to see Chessington pumping so much money into the resort, as I feel that this park was neglected over the past few years.
Especially compared to like all the towers.
Oh god, yeah. I think they got scared by the likes of the London resort. But yeah, let's head round towards the back now. We're going to have a look at Project Amazon construction and see what they're doing over there. So Project Amazon has seen a lot of work since we were last here. Now we have a few places that we like to stand. One of them was up in Canopy Capers, just behind us over like here somewhere. However, the trees are all bushed out quite a lot now, so you can't really see from there. So I don't think we're going to bother going up there today. But there's a spot down the bottom here that we'll have a look through. We'll have a look through the wall up here. We'll go on our usual spots here and here. I think we should start down the bottom and then work our way around towards the entrance, because I want to see what they've done around the entranceway. So let's head down to the bottom and see what vertical work has happened, as on the approach, you and me both saw it, they have gone vertical now. So starting off at the bottom of the site here, we're down by the bottom of Vampire here. You can actually see from here they have gone vertical, so this is going to be the main theming element for the Amazon land. A lot of speculation it's going to be Jumanji themed, to which, if it is, it's going to be the Jaguar Mountain from the 2017 film. I'll put a picture of that in now if I can find it. So that's what I reckon that centrepiece will be. Let's have a look through the paddock. Is anyone on site at the moment?
I can't see anyone
probably all on their lunch break.
Oh, there is one person.
So they have done a lot of work so far. So that size-wise, for a scale, is probably not far off of Big Bob size, is it? Like, they had that sort of structure up for Big Bob actually. but the roller coaster should be going around that structure, wrapping around it.
Is that like a theming piece?
Yeah, it's going to be a theming piece for the roller coaster. Lots of landscaping done, and there are some footers in place now. You can just see one here. But yeah, it's all quiet on the site at the moment, so let's head up and see what else we can see. So the next location we can have a look at is behind this statue here, so just hop over this tiny little fence and have a poke through here. Again, you get a pretty restricted view, but you can actually see this is the foundations for the station going in here, which is interesting to see, kind of focusing on the foliage in front. But yeah, they're really getting on with the groundwork. It won't be long before the buildings start to go up, and hopefully we'll see some supports in the next couple of months. So yeah, from on top of the mound, just a bit further along, we can see quite a bit more of the station here. I'm not really able to zoom in because I'm literally holding the camera as high as I can. There's a station there. We'll go all the way around this land, the new roller coaster. In fact, you can see some of the footers just in shot middle of the frame now, where I go around the corner and into a 0G roll. Come around a bit further, more of the footers here, so it'll come along here, it will do a 0G roll over where this digger is placed, and that'll probably be where the entrance portal is to the land. But yeah, lots of work going on here. It's just quiet at the moment, but it is lunchtime at the moment, so I reckon that's where they are currently. So one of the original spots I used to like to stand was on this wall here. However, that's not going to show us a lot now. These trees are really bushed out, so you can't see a lot at all. In fact, exactly what I thought and said about canopy capers earlier in the season. Now the trees are growing out, you will not be able to see anything through these trees up here. I suppose we can have a quick look, see what we can see, but the viewing window is just through here, and I personally don't think you're going to see much. So it's up there. We might be able to see a bit. I might have a quick scout up there and see what I can see. Let's see what we can see through here. We've got a lot of music. I've actually got a speaker in here now, just to annoy me. But yeah, as I said to begin with, you can't really see a lot now. These trees have bushed right out, meaning there's not a lot to see from this angle. So say goodbye to this one until the close season at least. So nothing really has changed along here. However, they have had these QR codes now, which puts you on a mailing list for information on the new rides. There's where I imagine the entrance portal will be roughly. But yeah, nothing here. There's no viewing windows as of yet. It'd be interesting to see if they actually put any viewing windows in, because people are interested in what they're putting here, but you can't really see what they're building yet. So we're going to head up to the entrance now, have a look at what we can see round by the new themed entrance area, and then we'll wrap this video up. So the Explorer Gate is closed at the moment, so sadly we won't be able to go through the gates. But as Louise is pointing out, a lovely view through these gates. Yeah, lovely view through the gates. Normally, if there's a member of staff here, I just say, you know, can I have a quick roam down towards the entrance plaza, and they were normally fine with it. The gates aren't actually locked; they've just got latches. But obviously, I don't want to leave the park without permission, because technically this entrance is closed today. So let's have a quick look over here and see what they've done. So yeah, it looks like they've all got back from their lunch now and they're actually starting some work. You can kind of see the structure here. It's really awkward. This fencing is not friendly for camera. Yeah, the camera does not like focusing on it. But let's have a look, see what it zooms in on. So yeah, that structure is, like I say, not far off of Big Bob's size, maybe without his head. And yeah, it's looking really good. Can't wait to see what they're going to be putting here. Well, obviously we do know from the plans. More of the footers down here. Like I say, it's very hard to tell what it is just based on the footers. However, they're chunky ones, so definitely ain't a Pininfarina or something like that. Yeah, the speculation is it's going to be a B&M wing coaster, which make it the first B&M wing coaster shuttle in the world. So just one more thing to mention before I wrap up this video here. The one thing about exploring it is they've actually re-tarmacked the whole thing now. So you used to have like the position of the old buildings, and that is now completely changed. It's all been tarmacked over. Loads of space here. So I reckon there'll be a new security station along here at some point. And yeah, it's just much bigger, real huge area for traffic to come into the park. But yeah guys, that's all in this update video. Thank you for watching it. If you do like the update videos, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments and all that speculation that you think's coming to the resort. We'll be posting more of these. Hit the subscribe button with the notification bell and you'll be updated whenever we upload a video. So guys, from us, see you next time in the next video. Bye!